Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if Hamster Kombat wallet needs not opening. Before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So as you can see, I have it on my screen and it's not like working. As you can see, you just have it blank. Here's what you need to do. So if you're on your iPhone, you need to go to your settings, then you need to go to general. Then you want to go to iPhone storage and wait for it to load up. Now that it has loaded up, you want to find Telegram. Once you have clicked on Telegram, you want to click on offload app, and that's basically going to delete cache, and then just open Telegram back again and try opening the wallet. If that's still not working, what you need to do is go back to the same settings, delete the app and install it again, or just go to the App Store, search Telegram and make sure it's updated to the latest version. If you are on your Android, here's what you need to do. So you need to open Google Play Store. At the top right, tap the profile icon, tap Manage Apps Devices, then Manage, select the name of the app you want to delete, and then uninstall it. And install it once again. But make sure before you are deleting Telegram on either Android or iOS that you have made a backup so that you can return everything you had. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.